Experiencing phone connectivity problems with your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. Bluetooth pairing failures are common, often stemming from software incompatibilities or outdated device firmware. By late 2025, most issues, around 85%, can be resolved with Tesla's over-the-air updates. Start by ensuring your Tesla software is up to date by connecting to Wi-Fi. If problems persist, the first step is a settings reset, which fixes 75% of cases. Before resetting, confirm your phone's Bluetooth is enabled, you're within 10 feet, and no VPNs are active. For chronic issues, try a factory reset via the touchscreen. Controls, Software, Factory Reset. This clears all paired devices and restores defaults without affecting drive data. Also, check Tesla's app for compatible device lists. Generally, iPhone 12 Plus or Android 10 Plus are supported. For additional help, Tesla's support app features AI-driven diagnostics that scan for common errors in under 5 minutes.